Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the date of birth in your Soundcloud profile. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. If you mistakenly entered your wrong date of birth in SoundCloud, we're here to help. Initially, on the nav bar at the rightmost section, next to this message-like icon, you will find these three dots. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. Well, there are lots of features available here, but right now, what we need to do is simply go to Settings. The button's at the second last option, just above Sign Out. I'm gonna click on it right now. Then this popped up. I'm in the Settings page on the Accounts tab. Let's just scroll down, and right here, you can see something like basic information, birth month and year. Do note that you cannot add your dates from here. All you can do is change the year and month. I'm gonna change both of them right now. And guys, that's it. Once you've changed the date of birth, the changes will be automatically saved. You don't have to click on any button. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your DOB in your SoundCloud profile. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.